Delhi has recorded 7,802 new cases of the coronavirus in the last 24 hours. 91 deaths have also been reported in this time period. My colleague Akshay Dongre, who's been tracking the details of this story, now joins us. Akshay, it's extremely worrying, the situation in the national capital. The daily positivity rate is at 13.8%. This is almost 10% above the national average at the moment.
Well, exactly, this is what we expected, because now the RT-PCR test, that is more reliable than the rapid antigen test, has increased in the national capital. In fact, earlier there were approximately 10,000 RT-PCR tests being conducted, but it has now doubled, which also was the advice of the central government too, because of the number of rising cases. But the positivity rate, yes, in fact, is a very, very worrying figure. It is almost 10% more than the national average. And especially the national capital for the past several days has been leading the entire country as far as the COVID cases are concerned. It has been recording some of the highest number of cases along with deaths. Yesterday we saw that the Chief Minister, when he was addressing a press conference, sounded optimistic, saying that the cases will come down in 7 to 10 days. But to look at things at this time, with the festival season, with thousands of people gathering in markets, it doesn't look like from the ground that at any time soon the situation is going to get under control. And the pollution levels, again, Rishika, have risen. They are approximately, if you're talking about the average AQI index of the national capital, it is around 399, which though falls under poor category, but it is a borderline case and just go into severe category anytime soon. And especially today's Diwali, the situation has to be under control in all the markets. People are gathering, and if this situation doesn't get under control, we can see several super spreader events all across the national capital.
Well, absolutely. It's an extremely worrying story that's emerging, Akshay, from the national capital. Suddenly, the capital is recording over 7,000 infections on a daily basis. This when just weeks ago we were reporting on how there was a sharp decline actually in the number of cases. Now, Akshay has also been covering the details of this story. Hospitals and the healthcare system, remember, is really the first to get overburdened. Hospitals are facing a huge capacity crunch at the moment. There are only 13% of ICU beds with ventilator support that are currently available in the national capital. Akshay sent us this full story.
As Delhi records highest number of COVID-19 cases and deaths due to coronavirus in the past few days, the availability of ICU beds has declined sharply as well. And at this time, there is only availability of 13% of such ICU beds for COVID-19 patients that have ventilator support.
Private hospitals like Fortis, Apollo and Max Shalimar Bagh have 0 such beds that are vacant, while among the government hospitals, Safdarjung only has 5 vacant beds, AIIMS has 1 and GTB Hospital has 0. Even the largest COVID hospital of Delhi, LNJP, has 9 ICU beds with ventilators available. With markets crowded, hospitals are expecting cases to rise still further.
Hospitals in Delhi are now getting filled with hardly any beds available in some of the hospitals. And the biggest crunch is being felt in the ICU services. A lot of overcrowding of people with large number of people not wearing masks. This will definitely increase the transmission of virus and the numbers will increase further.
Medical director of LNJP Hospital says that the daily admissions have more than doubled in the past few days.
The number of patients requiring ICU and the ventilator beds has gone up. And we have seen that majority of the beds are occupied, nearly 90%. Large number of people are crowding the markets and they are not following the COVID appropriate behavior. So they must follow the guideline and the market should be decongested.
The Delhi Chief Minister, however, claims the numbers will decline soon.
अभी दिल्ली में कोरोना बढ़ रहा है और इस कोरोना के बढ़ने का सबसे बड़ा कारण इस टाइम प्रदूषण है.
The crunch of ICU beds in the national capital is a rude reminder to the people of a similar crisis they had faced in the month of June. But with festivals and rising air pollution, the situation this time is much more critical. And if a concrete action is not taken by the government, the upcoming days are going to be even more tough for the people of the national capital. In New Delhi, with camera person Pawan Kumar, I'm Akshay Dongre for NDTV.